हे गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। सो ये वीडियो YouTube एड्स का एक कंप्लीट ट्यूटोरियल होने वाला है। मैंने इससे पहले भी एक ट्यूटोरियल बनाया है, बट दिस इज़ अ अपडेटेड ट्यूटोरियल एंड मैं इसमें आपको ऐसी कुछ सेटिंग्स के बारे में बताऊंगा जिसको यूज़ करके आप कम से कम पैसों में अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा व्यूज़ अपने YouTube वीडियोस के लिए और अपने YouTube चैनल के लिए या फिर अपने ब्रांड के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा व्यूज़ एक्यूमुलेट कर सकते हैं। सो अगर आप ये सीखना चाहते हैं तो जस्ट स्टिक टू द वीडियो टिल द वेरी एंड एंड आई विल शो यू हाउ यू कैन optimize your videos and get maximum views for your videos. So let's start the video. Now अगर आपको ये नहीं पता, YouTube एड्स रन करने के लिए भी आपको Google एड्स का अकाउंट चाहिए। सो अगर आपने Google एड्स का अकाउंट आपके पास नहीं है या फिर आप फर्स्ट टाइम Google एड्स और YouTube एड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो आपको Google एड्स का अकाउंट सेटअप करना पड़ेगा। तो उसके लिए मैं यहाँ पे एक क्लिप डाल दूंगा जो मैंने पहले ही रिकॉर्ड किया है, जिसमें आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप गूगल एड्स का अकाउंट सेटअप कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स साइन अप फॉर गूगल एड्स अकाउंट। व्हाट यू कैन डू आल्सो इज गूगल गिव्स 2000 रुपीज फ्री क्रेडिट। ओके, so you can just search for Google Ads free credit and just click on this ad will come, Google Ads credit, here's your 2000. You can click on that and you can just enter your email ID and just click on get offer. So Google will send you a 2000 rupees proportional credit which you can use. So you can only use this 2000 rupees credit when you spend by yourself 2000 rupees. That's also one of the condition you need to understand. So if you spend 2000 rupees from your pocket, Google will then credit these 2000 rupees in your account. So you can get that also. For now I will just directly go to Google Ads. I will not go through Google Ads credit right now. So let's say Google Ads, I'll just click on the Google Ads account and click on sign in. Yeah, so let's log in into Google Ads account. You will need a Gmail ID, as I said. So if you see, it'll ask you to create a campaign here, but I don't want to create a campaign right now. I just directly want you to get into the account first. So you just go through, are you a professional marketer? Let's go for switch to expert mode. From here you don't need to click on all those. Then it is going to give you set up a new campaign. We don't want to set up a campaign, so we'll click on this create an account without a campaign. Okay, then it is going to ask you your billing country, your time, your currency, all these you can set up and just click on submit and done. You just need to click on explore your account. That's all. Now you have your own Google Ads account. So now that your Google Ads account is set, now let's directly jump on to campaign creation and let's create a YouTube Ads campaign. So YouTube Ad campaign create करने के लिए आपको या तो डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे न्यू कैंपेन पे क्लिक करना है या फिर आप यहाँ कैंपेन पे जाके यहाँ से भी कैंपेन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। सो यहाँ पे मैं प्लस पे क्लिक करूँगा, जस्ट क्रिएट अ न्यू कैंपेन, क्लिक ऑन न्यू कैंपेन and it is going to give us the campaign goal here. So what is our campaign goal? Different goals यहाँ पे है, sales, leads, website traffic, products and brand consideration, brand awareness, app promotion, local store visits. You can choose any of your goal here, बट मैं अज्यूम कर रहा हूँ कि आपको सिर्फ व्यूज़ की ज़रूरत है अपने YouTube वीडियोस के लिए। आप सेल्स, लीड्स, ट्रैफिक, ब्रांड अवेयरनेस ये सब चीज़ें नहीं देख रहे हैं, तो यू विल गो विद क्रिएट अ कैंपेन विदाउट अ गोल। सो विल गो विद दिस ऑप्शन। ठीक है, उसके बाद आपको सिलेक्ट कैंपेन टाइप। देयर आर डिफरेंट कैंपेन टाइप्स नाउ, सर्च, डिस्प्ले, शॉपिंग, वीडियो, ऐप, स्मार्ट वीडियो कैंपेन, लोकल, डिस्कवरी। हमें सिर्फ वीडियो कैंपेन रन करना है तो वी विल गो विद वीडियो हियर। सो उसके बाद ये आपको और ऑप्शंस दे देगा, सिलेक्ट अ कैंपेन सब टाइप, इसमें कस्टम वीडियो कैंपेन, नॉन स्किपेबल इन स्ट्रीम, आउट स्ट्रीम, ड्राइव कन्वर्जन्स, एड सीक्वेंस. सो ये डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कैंपेन है. इफ़ आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन यू, सो कस्टम वीडियो कैंपेन इज़ नथिंग बट आप अपनी इसमें लेटर स्टेज में आप अपने वीडियो की सेटिंग्स को कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हैं. आई लेट यू नो, क्योंकि हम इसी वीडियो कैंपेन के साथ जाने वाले हैं. बट नॉन स्किपेबल इन स्ट्रीम, इफ़ यू सी दिस वन, सो नॉन स्किपेबल इन स्ट्रीम वीडियो इज़ नथिंग बट इट्स अ नॉन स्किपेबल एड. सो आपने देखा होगा कि यूट्यूब वीडियो में स्किप का बटन आता है, राइट? सो ये नॉन स्किपेबल ऐड होगी एंड इट इज़ जस्ट अप टू 15 सेकेंड. सो आपने देखा होगा कोई ऐड ऐसी होती है जो आप स्किप नहीं कर सकते, जिसमें स्किप का बटन नहीं आता, और वो यूजुअली 12 या 14 या 15 सेकेंड की होती हैं, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकते. दीज आर दोज एड नॉन स्किपेबल इन स्ट्रीम. फिर उसके बाद आउट स्ट्रीम, दिस इज़ नथिंग बट यू कैन रीच पीपल ऑन देयर फोन्स एंड टैबलेट्स out of the YouTube also. Let's say YouTube has a partner website, Times of India. I'm just giving an example. So on Times of India also, within the article you see YouTube videos, right? So that ad will be called as a outstream ad. Then drive conversions. If your goal is to drive conversions, so you can go with this option. मतलब अगर आप लीड्स एक्वायर करना चाहते हैं, या फिर अगर आप अपनी वेबसाइट पे कन्वर्जन्स एक्वायर करना चाहते हैं, तो यू विल गो विद दिस ऑप्शन. एंड देन देयर इज़ एड सीक्वेंस. व्हेन यू प्ले अ वीडियो, तो स्टार्टिंग में उनकी पहले कोई ऐड आती है, ठीक है? विद इन द वीडियो कोई दूसरी ऐड आती है, फिर लास्ट में कोई दूसरी ऐड आती है. तो दे आर ट्राइंग टू टेल अ स्टोरी विद इन अ वीडियो इटसेल्फ. सो दैट कैन बी कॉल्ड एज एड सीक्वेंस. अभी के लिए हम कस्टम वीडियो कैंपेन के साथ जाएंगे. विल गो विद दिस वन एंड विल क्लिक ऑन कंटिन्यू. Okay, so once you're here, उसके बाद campaign name, let's give a good campaign name. NP, I'll just give it as video, and it's going to be I can give a video name, probably जो मैंने अभी LinkedIn ads का वीडियो बनाया था. I'll just give it as LinkedIn ads. ठीक है? So that's my video. Then bidding strategy, there are different bidding strategies: maximum CPV, target CPM. Target CPM is nothing but you set the average amount you are willing to pay for every 1,000 times your ad is shown. CPM is the cost per 1,000 impressions. Okay, so every 1,000 time your ad is shown, you set a price for that. Okay, that's nothing but target CPM. You're telling I just want to pay that much for impressions. So Google and YouTube will try and optimize your ads accordingly. What we'll do is we'll go with maximum CPV. So maximum CPV, you set the most you are willing to pay each time your ad is viewed. So you can put a price, you can control the price of your views. So ये आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ़ायदा करेगी, क्योंकि आप एक सेट प्राइस दे रहे हैं each and every view के लिए. There are other strategies also: viewable CPM, target CPA, maximize conversions. These are not available for the goal which we have chosen. हम custom के साथ गए थे and वीडियो पे सिलेक्ट किया था, if you remember. So उसके साथ available नहीं है. If you choose others like sales, leads, website traffic and all those options, you might be able to access these options also. ठीक है? So अभी के लिए let's go with this campaign total. You can put a campaign total also. You can put a daily budget also. Let's say my daily budget is 100 rupees. I want to spend 100 rupees per day. In a month it will be 1,000 rupees. Oh sorry, 3,000 rupees. And you can also put a start and end date. Okay. So I'll just keep it as start date, end date. I'll not keep anything here. And if you see, my available impressions are almost 10 billion plus impressions. Okay, that means I can get these many impressions with my targeting right now. This is my available audience. Then if you come down, networks, there are 3 options: YouTube search results, YouTube videos, and YouTube parties on other display networks. So what I'll do is I will not go with YouTube partners. I want my ads to be shown on YouTube only. I don't want to show it outside. And YouTube search results, I can show it here also. Search results is nothing but when somebody searches on YouTube something, and then the videos come. So you might see ads on top in the search results. Those are nothing but YouTube search results ads. And YouTube videos, when you play a video, you see an ad on those videos. So that's what you can choose here. You can go with these options also. So I'll keep these two. I want my ads to be shown in these two. And then come down, location targeting. I'll go, for me it is already selected as India, or you can select a specific location only. Like if you want to run ads in Bangalore, just select Bangalore. If you want to run ads in Hyderabad, just type Hyderabad and select Hyderabad here. Okay. If you are looking for views only, if you don't care from where the views are coming, you can go for low CPM countries also. Like you can get a very cheapest CPMs from countries like India, obviously, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Indonesia. All these countries can give you very, very low cost CPMs, and you can get a lot of views for very small budgets. So you can go and do that. I want to go with India only, so I'll just keep it India. Language, let's keep it English. You can keep Hindi also, but I'll just keep it as English for now. Inventory type, so this is very, very important. Inventory type, there is a standard inventory, limited inventory, expanded inventory. इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब ये है कि जो ब्रांडेड कंटेंट होगा, अगर आप if you don't care कि your videos are shown what places, like this is maximize available inventory by showing the ads on some sensitive content. If you choose this, it tried to show your ads on some sensitive content. If you go with this, it doesn't show your ads on any sensitive content. It'll just show it on appropriate content. And if you go with this, exclude most of the sensitive content. So that's a very limited inventory. Most of the brands go with this option because they want to show their ads on a appropriate content, or not a very offensive content. But if you want to keep your cost low and get more views, I would suggest you to go with expanded inventory. Now, does that mean YouTube is going to show your ads on a lot of sensitive content? No. YouTube also takes care of brands. It is not going to show your ads on very sensitive content, but it can show your ads on some sensitive content, okay, which might not harm your brand. ठीक है, उससे क्या होगा, हमें since most of the brands are using this, we are opening up the option, and हमें क्या होगा, जो views होंगे, the view की cost थोड़ी नीचे आ जाएगी क्योंकि हम expand कर रहे हैं अपनी inventory. So if your goal is just to get the views, you go with expanded inventory here. And then if you come down, labels, you don't want to exclude your videos from any of these. These are labels like general audience and most audience with parental guidance, teen or older audience. You can all block these people if you don't want to show the ads on any of these. But our main objective is to get the views, so we will not do that. Then next comes the related videos. So add videos related to your video ads to help increase engagement. So what you can do here is you can add your videos here which are related to your ad. So if you see, related videos appear below your video ad and offer an immersive video experience to help reinforce and extend your ads message. So let's say I'll just click on related video. One of my video only I'll just take. So this is one of my video. I just want to take this as a video. Yeah. Copy the video URL, come back here and paste the video URL. So what happens is while my ad is playing, it'll try to show the other video of mine just below that video. Okay, so likewise you can add another video also. I'll just take another one as well. So let me just go back and take another video. of mine. So if I go here, let's say I just want to take a or something related to how to upload a video or how to create a verified channel. I'll just take this one, copy, come back here, and for this one paste the video, done. Okay, so 2 videos are added. Just click on done. That's all. These are nothing but it'll show just below your ad. Okay, then come additional settings. Additional settings you don't have to do anything here, but if I have to go through that, conversions, you try and keep your account level conversions here, settings, which is recommended. We are not going with any conversion campaigns. You don't have to select any specific conversions. Devices, we want to run it on computers, mobile, tablet, TV screens. If you just want to run it on mobile devices, you can just deselect computers, tablets and TV screens. That's what you can do. What I'll do is I'll try to actually not select tablets and TV screens. Okay, that's a lie I'll do. I'll just select computers and mobile phones, only those. Frequency, you can put a cap on the frequency, how many times your ad is shown to a single person. Okay, so you can put that frequency also. Like for example, let's say enter number, I want to show the ads 2 times per day to a single user, not more than 2 times. So it will not show my ads more than 2 times to a single person in a day. Okay, next day it can show to the person. So that's a cap impression frequency. Then cap view frequency, that's nothing for the view. So that was for impression, this is for the view. So let's say I would just want to show once per day per user. So if somebody has seen the video once, the ads is not going to show them again, okay, for that day. Next day it can. So this is view frequency here. I'll not cap any frequency. I'll just keep it as it is. I'll trust Google, and Google will try and optimize accordingly and try and get me maximum views basically. Ad schedule, don't want to touch that. I just want to run my ads all day, all time. Okay, but if you don't want to run your ads in the night, you can just exclude that time here. Okay, then comes third party measurement. We are not going to do or use this option. Don't want to use any tracking or third party measurement tools. We are using Google Analytics, so that's enough for us. Ad group, let's give an ad group name. So ad group 1, let's just give it ad group 1 as ad group name. Here comes the targeting. This is very, very important part. People targeting, content targeting. People is nothing but you target the person, the interest of the person, the behavior of the person, and content targeting is nothing but you target the content. You don't target the person, you target the content, which means you can target all the digital marketing videos, all the finance videos, whatever you want to target as a content. So these are the 2 types of targeting here. Let's say we want to go with first people targeting, demographic. So under demographic, I'll just go with everyone here. Okay, I will not limit my targeting by just limiting the age and all, because I want to keep my views cost lower also. Okay, so I'll try to show the videos to all those people. Like my audience pool is very large, right? So I can win a lot of auctions in that pool, which can be a lower cost auctions also. That will keep my cost very low. Okay, so demographic, audience segments, you can choose a segment of audience also. You can just click on browse, and let's say if you want to go with affinity audience or in-market audience. These are 2 types of audiences here. There are other types also. I have made the videos on Google Ads or search ads basically, or YouTube ads previously, where I've explained all these things in detail. I'll not try to explain it here. I'll try to keep it very simple here, so that we just want, like, our objective is just to get the views right now at a lower cost. So I'll go to search. I'll search for marketing. Let's say if anything is there related to marketing. So there is business marketing. marketing strategies, sales training and strategy, not one-to-one marketing, digital marketing companies and all that, product marketing strategies, online marketing, okay, business marketing, website marketing, mix information, advertising and marketing services. All these things I have, SEO, SEM services and all that, right? So if you see, I am just trying to target all the people who are interested in my content, who can be interested in my type of content. Okay? These are the people I can target. But I don't want to go with people targeting. I'll keep it broad, okay? Because digital marketing mein there are many people who are interested. So I don't want to target anybody in this segment. So interest targeting, I'll not do. What I'll do is I'll go for content targeting. Instead of targeting the interest of the person, I'll target the content. So marketing related content. So let's say I'll pick, so you can target keywords. Let's say if I target digital marketing, if any video mentions digital marketing, my ads will show on those videos. That's what will happen because I targeted the keyword digital marketing. Any videos in the title, in the description, if it says digital marketing, my ads will go and show up there. So if you see here, it was 10 billion. Now it has come down to 2.3 million. Very, very low. It has reduced our, that pool of interest because there are going to be very few videos which will have this digital marketing mentioned on it. So instead of keyword, we'll go with topic. So topic mein I'll choose marketing as a topic. So let's say marketing, so advertising and marketing, brand management, all marketing, direct and this, public relations, business operations. I'll just target all these people. Business services, I think computer and electronics, technology, I think those people can be here. And finance, I think these are all I need. ठीक है, इनफैक्ट कंप्यूटर एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स भी निकाल दिए तो कितने 110 million people. That's the targeting. If you want, you can go with computer and electronics also. ठीक है, so I think these are the people are going to be interested in my type of content. So I'll try and show my ads to these people. कितना pool है? 730 million people. I think that's enough for us. You can also go ahead and target the placement itself, which means the video. If you know any channel you think your videos or your audience is on, you can target that particular channel, that particular creator. Okay, you know your competitors channel, you can target your competitors channel here. You know videos of theirs which are getting viral, you can target specific videos also here. We don't want to do that. As I said, that is going to increase our cost because it is going to decrease the potential, that pool of audience for us. Okay, so we'll keep it as it is right now, not going with placement targeting. So only thing we did is we did topic targeting. To give you a suggestion, either you do a topic targeting or you do audience segment में this search करके you can target these people here. ठीक है, so let me just on a broad level just target all the people who are interested in marketing at least. ठीक है, and marketing strategies, I guess, but it has actually reduced our potential audience here, the pool of audience here. I guess that's enough. That's fine. That's not a problem. SEO, SEM was also there, advertising and SEO, SEM. I think this is fine. Sales and marketing jobs, I think that's also fine. About 90 million people. That's enough for us. So this is our targeting. Bidding may will put the bid, what is the maximum amount you want to pay for a view. So you can start as low as 0.2, you can start 0.1 also. Okay, you can start with 0.5 also. So let's say 0.5. Okay, that's nothing but 5 paisa for a view. but I would recommend you to go and start with 20 at least 20. You can go with 30, 40 also. So we'll try and go with 20 paisa, which means 1 rupee you will get 5 views, and in 1000 rupees you get 5000 views. That's the cost. If you think you're getting a lot of views in that, you can reduce your bid also and bring it down to 1. That means 10 paisa 1 view, which means 1 rupee 10 views and 1000 rupees 10,000 views. Okay. If you think you're getting a lot of views in this also, you'll have to test these things. अगर आपको 10 पैसे में भी व्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, आप अपनी कॉस्ट और भी नीचे रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं एंड इसको 0.5 पैसा पे लेके जा सकते हैं. लाइकवाइज यू रिड्यूस योर कॉस्ट, बट स्टार्ट विद अ हायर कॉस्ट. मैं ये रेकमेंड करूँगा. एंड देन अगर आपको व्यूज़ आ रहे हैं तो रिड्यूस कर के उसको कॉस्ट को नीचे लेके आइए. ठीक है. सो 5 पैसा इज़ आवर बिड प्राइस हियर. Top content bid, I think percentage you can give a percentage here. Let's say I'll give a percentage of 50%, let's say. So if Google and YouTube thinks that there is somebody who is very interested in such type of content and watching the content, so you're giving leverage to Google and YouTube that you can increase your bid by 50% if you think the person is very interested and can be a subscriber to your videos. ठीक है, वो यहाँ पे हो रहा है, but I'll just go with my bid only, that's all. And then comes the ad के केस में let's say, so हमने कौन सी ad promote करनी है. So ये YouTube चैनल कैसे बनाएं, ये है एक है, but let's say I want to promote a video on how to upload a video. Let's say this one. So this is just a example video. So I will just put a video here and done. So ad is actually going to be created. So it is already created. There are two options it is giving us: video ad format, skippable in-stream ad, or in-feed video ads. ठीक है. So in feed, skippable in stream, which means so when a person plays the video, your ad will be displayed, उस वीडियो में आपकी ads आएंगी. So that is called nothing but skippable in stream, and person can skip this ad क्योंकि ये बोल रहा है skippable in stream है. So next is in feed video ads. पहले इन ads को discovery ads बोलते थे, अब ये in feed video ads हैं. I'll just put a screenshot here so that you can understand which ads are in feed video ads. I like in feed video ads much better than skippable in stream, क्योंकि skippable in stream में basically people usually skip the videos and those are very out loud, उसमें पर्सन को चॉइस नहीं दी जाती कि वो वीडियो और उस ऐड को देखना चाहता है या नहीं. बट इन स्ट्रीम इन फीड वीडियो ऐड में अ पर्सन हैज़ अ चॉइस. अगर द पर्सन वांट्स टू क्लिक ऑन द ऐड एंड सी द वीडियो, देन ओनली द ऐड विल प्ले. तो आई लाइक दोज एड्स बेटर देन skippable in stream ad. If you like skippable in stream, you can go with that option. I'll just go with in feed video ads, this option here. So this is how it is going to display if you see when the video is going to play. So this is how it will display. So it is asking us headline में will write how to upload YouTube video. ठीक है. And description, you can write both the descriptions of about 35 characters is the limit. We'll say best way to write a title. Yeah. And then best way to write the description. ठीक है. In fact यहाँ पे भी write the title. best way to write the title, best way to write the description. I am just giving it as जो मेरे मन में आया मैंने अभी लिख दिया है. You write it, very perfectly. मतलब सोच समझ के लिखिए आप जो यहाँ पे लिखना चाहते हैं, because it will also display in the ad as a description there. Ad name, I'll just keep it as ad 1. This is just for my reference, and then click on create campaign. That's all. This is how the ad will look like. This is how it will look like. I'll just click on create campaign and done. That's all. You just now have to pay, set up your billing, go to tools and settings. Under summary, you can go to summary, or you can go to settings mein. You can set up your billing option. You can either recharge the account, or you can set up your credit or debit card here, and that's it. You can start the campaign. So this is how you create a normal YouTube video ads campaign to get the maximum views for your videos. If you have any questions, you can just ask those questions in the comment section. I would love to reply them. Until next video, thank you so much. Bye bye.